They added a new item to Yeeps, and I'm gonna show you what it does. The new chainsaw item breaks every block in the game, but you have to use the ripcord to power it up, and it will break every item. And here's an example. No, don't worry. I didn't break everything in my private world. This item can be found in Outpost. It is 800 butt coins, and it cannot be used in public wilds. Yeah. It can break literally everything. You can use it in official maps, but it takes cotton the more you have it powered up. Bye bye.